9 Quick Home Remedies for Natural Cologne Cleansing. There are a great deal of courses accessible for cleaning the colognes, yet for the vast majority of the general population, the straightforward and the characteristic cures are the best. Indeed, before selecting any colon-related medications, keep in mind to converse with your specialist, particularly with regards to taking any sort of treatment identified with colognes. 1. Water. Truly, the best thing that you can improve the situation, the purging of your colognes, is drinking parcels and loads of water. It is critical to drink 10-12 glasses of water each day. This is a basic manner by which your body can flush out the destructive poisons and waste normally. Drinking a great deal of water will likewise help in the normal peristaltic activity. Likewise, water is extremely important to keep your body hydrated and avoid parchedness. You can go for different squeezes alongside the water, similar to natural product juices and vegetable juices. 2. Squeezed apple. Another best thing that can help you in colon cleaning is new squeezed apple. On the off chance that you can drink squeezed apple for the duration of the day, it can help with defecation, separate poison, and lift the well-being of the liver and stomach-related framework. 3. Lemon juice. Lemons are useful for the stomach-related framework since they have cancer prevention agent properties and are brimming with vitamin C. Therefore, lemon juice can be an incredible alternative for colon purifying. Simple advances. 1. Blend the juice of 1 lemon, a stick of ocean salt, and minimal nectar in a glass of tepid water. Drink this blend toward the beginning of the day. Discharge stomach. Drinking this blend toward the beginning of the day will give you more vitality, better solid discharge, and better skin condition. 4. Crude vegetable juice. For colon purging, it is vital to avoid prepared and cooked for maybe a couple days. Rather than eating strong nourishments, drink crisp vegetable squeeze a couple of times each day. Green vegetables are great since they contain chlorophyll, which helps in driving the poisons out of the body. They additionally have vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and compounds which will keep your body sound and give you vitality. You can likewise drink homegrown teas. 5. Fiber-rich foods. Eating nourishment that is rich in fiber will help in purifying the colon of terrible poisons. Fiber will keep the stool delicate and help defecation. This encourages you in tossing out the poisons in your body. Sustenance which is rich in fiber will likewise dispose of any sort of intestinal issue. You can include bunches of fiber in your eating regimen by eating new natural products like pears, apples, and raspberries, and furthermore by eating crisp vegetables like artichokes, peas, and broccoli. There is bunches of fiber in oats, entire grains, nuts, beans, and seeds. 6. Yogurt. Eating new yogurt all the time is a decent method to keep the colon solid. Yogurt is a probiotic nourishment. It can carry great microorganisms into the gut and help assimilation. It can likewise battle incendiary enteral illnesses. This is particularly valid for yogurts that have lived in dynamic societies. 7. Flax seeds. Since flax seeds are brimming with omega-3 unsaturated fats, cancer prevention agents, and characteristic strands, adding it to your eating routine is an incredible method to cleanse your colon. Flaxseed will take in the water and afterwards swell in the colon and aids in compelling out the poisons and bodily fluid as the water goes through. It can likewise square tumor, coronary illness, and diabetes. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known better to kill poisons and goes about as a purgative. This makes aloe vera an awesome colon chemical. Aloe vera gel can likewise treat other medical issues like cerebral pains, skin disease, loose bowels, gastric agony, and clogging. Include the juice of 1 lemon to the new aloe vera gel and put the blend in the blender to make couple of ounces of smooth juice. Drink this juices few times each day for a couple of weeks. 9. Ginger. It helps in absorption by influencing the stomach-related juices to stream. You can utilize ginger in various structures like ground, as a juice, or as cut up pieces for colon purifying. So these were the best 9 home solutions for colon purifying. We trust they will